everyone, so welcome to my car. If you don't know, I bought a car like a month ago maybe, and I want to show you my car because these are really helpful, at least for me, because it helped me try to figure out what car I wanted. I was looking at so many cars. I wanted for sure an SUV or a mini SUV, a compact SUV, and I was told that this one right here is a compact SUV. I don't know. And so I was looking at a lot of SUVs. Then I was looking at Ford Escape, which is this car, and there was only a few videos on those, and they weren't the years that I was looking at, but I ended up getting the Ford Escape because it had everything I wanted, because this is the Ford Escape titanium package. So it had sensors in the back, what do you call it, like blind spots. It had blind spots. So the color outside is silver. The inside, I don't know if it's real leather or faux leather. If it's real leather, I'm sorry, but this is a 2017 Ford Escape, and the outside is silver, the inside is black. I'm really happy with my car. I honestly feel so comfortable driving it. I don't feel like this is way too big. I don't feel like this is too small where I feel cramped and where I feel like I can't see any cars that are coming. But yeah, this is my car, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Yeah, so this is my car right here. It is a Ford Escape. Excuse if I'm awkward because there's a car right there and it's on and there are people inside, but this is my car. This is the side. This is the back. Titanium. EcoBoost. This is the other side. So to open my car, the first thing is the auto start button right here. Then is the lock, the unlock, and then to open the back, and then the alarm. So what's really cool, and excuse my PJs, what's really cool about this car is that you can just unlock it doing that. And then I can also lock it, just putting my finger right there. Okay, and we can hop in. My car has these 3 switches or knobs. So this one is to move the seat forward. You can also move it this up or down. You can move this one. This last one is to move something like right here. So I guess your back can be like either straighter. I don't know if you see that. So on the driver's side of the door, there's these 3 buttons right here. And these are basically buttons to memorize your seat position and your side mirrors. So the first one is put on mine. So this whole seat changes to my position. And then the second one is my dad. So this all moves like down. Even the mirror moves as well. So it's really cool because you won't have to move your seat all the time. You can just push this button and it's already set to the distance you like the car to be. Or the seat to be, not the car. What? And then here is the handles. Right here, this is for the side mirrors. These are for the windows, 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. And this is the safety lock for the windows. And then right here, I just have paper, but you can put a water bottle in here. And there's a speaker down here. There's also a speaker right here. Right here, this is the air vent. There's a lot of air vents throughout this car, which I really like. Right here is the lights. So mine is on automatic, so when it's dark, my lights will turn on automatically, and then when it's light, my lights in the front will turn off. And this is to open the back. These are to dim, I believe. These, they're not on yet right now because my car is off. But that is to dim, I believe, these lights right here. I'm not sure what this button is, so yeah. This is the wheel. Sorry for the light, but this is the wheel. I have a little cover for it. Yeah, I really like it. It's not as big as my other one. The other car I was driving, the wheel was huge. So I really like how tiny this wheel is. These are some switches to control this right here. This is for cruise control. This is to control the audio and yeah, the volume. This is the one to talk on the phone. This is to switch the stations. This is the horn, as you can see. Okay, right here in the side of the steering wheel, I have the turn signals right here. And then right here, I believe is the high beams. I'm not sure, I've never used it, but I think it's the high beams. These are like gears, but I think they're gears. I'm not sure what they are. I feel like it's for the sport mode, which this car has, but I don't know how to use them. And I'll probably not use them. Now, in the other side of the steering wheel, I have windshield wipers for the front and then for the back. And for the back, it's really cool because this is the switch for the windshield wipers in the back. When I first got this car and it was raining, I was not sure how to switch the back windshields on. But yeah, that's how you do it, just by clicking this. And then for the front ones, you just like move it. Then this right here is a big old screen, which I really like because it's huge. Then I also have a CD player, which is super cool because now cars aren't equipped with CD players, which makes sense because a lot of people don't buy CDs anymore. They just download music. But I really like this CD player because I do have some CDs I would like to use. And then right here is the controls for the radio and for the screen. The stereo system is Sony, so it sounds really good in this car. And then I have my emergency lights. Moving on down is my climate control. This car is equipped with the dual climate control, so you can set a different temperature than the passenger side. So the passenger can set whatever temperature they want and it shows up here, and then you can set whatever temperature you want. This car is also equipped with heating seats, which I have not used and I don't think I want to ever use because I feel like I would get annoyed of the heating seats. And then this car also has the auto stop and start, meaning when you're at a red light, your car or your engine will automatically turn off, and then once you start pressing the gas or release the brake, your car will start. I have the option to either turn it off or turn it on. I usually have it on, but my dad likes having it off because he doesn't like how it makes the wheel stiff. But I don't really mind. And then this is the TCS off. I don't know what that is. I'm so sorry. Now moving on down, I have the USB cord, and I also have this. Wait, okay, I'm like, why can't I open this? Which is kind of weird because I feel like no one uses this anymore. But if you do, it's good that it comes here. But it comes with a USB, which I always use, especially when I am going on a longer trip and I have no idea where I'm going. I put my USB and I connect it to my phone, and so I can have the map right on the screen, which is really helpful so I don't have to look at my phone. Then I have this little compartment right here. I usually have pens and stuff, but because today I want to go clean my car, I took them out, or I removed them. Then right here is another little teeny compartment. Let me stick that in. Why is this like coming off? These are really cool about this car. I don't know if other cars have this, but you can like remove the little trays. You can remove it on this one as well, so you can clean it. But yeah, I have this small compartment. You can put your phone. I usually just I said you can put your phone, and I grab my keys. I meant you can put your keys on here, but because I have this like long thing, it just doesn't fit, so I usually just keep it here. But I really like how you can put your phone right there. Ta-da! And then I have 2 cup holders, which is really cool because my other car definitely did not have a cup holder, which was super weird, but it was an older car, so makes sense. Then right here I have my shifts. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, it has P, R, N, D, and S. Then right here, I have my emergency brakes or parking brakes. And it's an electronic one. That's why it's not like the big old ones that usually they come like right here. These are like the electronic ones. Then right here, I have another little compartment, which is really nice. And then right here, I have my armrest little thing. Sorry, what is this position? And I really like how there's 2 different compartments in here. So this is one, and I usually have my little rag to clean my glasses. And then there's also this deeper compartment here, which I have many pens and pencils. So I usually keep these in here. So I'm just gonna leave them there. And then right here, I have my USB cord and this cord for my dad's phone because we took this car to San Francisco. So that's why I have some of his stuff in here. And then another USB cord, which is super helpful if your passenger wants to charge their phone and you're using your phone charger that's set up right here. They can charge their phone right here, and it's really cool how you can close this and it doesn't get squished. Do you see that? Because there's like a little, I think that's what it's used for. And then I have another little this. I usually remember the name, but I don't know why when I start recording I forget everything and I forget how to speak. But yeah, that's the armrest. This was the whole car. Okay, and this is the passenger's side. Yeah, so let's move on to the passenger side. Okay. So this is the passenger side. It also has these, which is really cool. And I really like how there's this on both sides because if you drop like a pencil, it doesn't go under, it just stays up here. And this is the passenger door. Yeah, and it also has this to put your bottles. What do I have in here? Oh, water bottle. Okay, and I also have this, which smells so good. I got it from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. People always compliment how good it smells in here, and I'm like, thanks, it's this. Okay, so this is the glove compartment. I just have some napkins. They gave me this to clean like all that, which is very useful because I do clean it. I have my glasses, a tissue, and then I don't know what I have in here. Pretty sure it's like pads and stuff. Yeah, pads, liners, band-aids, hair ties. Ooh, sunscreen. Yeah, I haven't had to use none of that, but I still have it. And then I also have important stuff in here. Like there's a separate little compartment for this, which is really cool. And there's a light, which is nice when it's dark. And then I also have this mirror and it has a light. And which is really cool is that you can take this off and then you can pull it. So if you want to put it like in the side door, so this is how it works. And so the sun doesn't touch you from here. Or you can move it. It also has this, which I guess is to put cards. And I forgot to show you this. I have my sunglasses in here, which I haven't used. And these are the lights. This isn't anything. These are auto dimming mirrors. And then this is the driver's seat mirror. And then this is to put like your garage stuff, but I don't have a garage, so I don't use that. But it's the same thing for the driver's side. And then the passenger side also has this net, so you can put like your CDs if you want, or I don't know what you would want to put there. I still don't have anything there. Now moving on to the back. This is the back. You can't really see it. I'm gonna move the seats in the front. This is the back. I really like how the door is kind of tiny and it's not as big, so it doesn't like fling open and hit a car. These are some speakers, the windows, and to put your cup and stuff. So that's the door. Now coming in, oh, let me show you. It has 3 seats. It has to put your cups. It also has to charge your computer. And then all around there's ambient lights, but yeah, it's really cool how it has to charge like your computer, or if you're out, you need to inflate your bed, you can also do that in the car. And it's really cool how it has these on the back as well, because I know some cars don't have this, so the people in the back are just like heating up, but this car has it, so people in the back can also feel the heater or the cooler. Okay, and then this is the seats, are really comfortable. And then there's these little pockets on both sides. And yeah, let's move on to the back. You can kick it open, not kick it, but like open it somehow like this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, which kind of is annoying. There you go. Ta-da! And then they also gave me this, which is really cool. So I also have this. Someone just passed by and it was awkward. Okay. And then it has a pretty huge trunk, and then it also has an extra pair of wheels, emergency wheels, and I just have an umbrella in the back. But I really like how they gave me this. Don't know what you call it, don't know what the term is for it, but it's really useful so people don't see what's in back of your trunk. Even though I don't put anything here, it's very useful and I love having that option. And then to close it, you just press that button. And it does have some sensors, which is really nice in the back. So they do beep. It starts to beep right here and it shows you what side you're gonna hit, and it starts to beep if you're gonna hit something because of the sensors. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If I forgot something, that sucks, and I'll just come back and show you. But yeah, that's my car. And this is the air. And then your passenger can have a different temperature than you. Yeah, that was my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. And if you want to see car vlogs, please let me know. I was going to film one today, but then I ended up not filming it. But if you do want some, please let me know and I'll do them. And yeah, bye!